Nag-live tayo ito sa panggawin, no?
Yay!
Hello guys.
Alright.
This is it. Time check, October 25.
Time check
Alas 8:13 PM ng gabi. Huwag kang manghining ng pulutan, may gin pa kami. Magpakita ka dito para kuan. Hello guys, this is only 3 minutes guys. So just express your feelings. Guys, kung may dalaga pa dyan, dito si Roldan. Yan.
Just comment, like, and subscribe
Yeah.
to his channel.
Quality Gaming Corporation Incorporated.
Yeah. Quality B.
Quality B Gaming.
Gaming. Sa mga nag-aamon ng kanyan ay gaming.
Subscribe, 50 subscriber and my live will be long. Yeah. The longer the gin, the longer the video.
Alright. Money popcorn.
Yeah. Medyo atidog sa.
Atidog magana
Atidog. Tapos 3 minutes tayo man ha.
Atidog gayam guys. Atidog.
Medyo mahaba guys.
Mga Ilocano dyan.
Medyo mahaba guys. Just subscribe. Live ata.
Ilocano.
Makikita ata.
Ipugaw. Join.
Ay, agbuya ka.
2 joins.
Agbuya ka mo Tapos na dapat ada the viewers ko. Awan no ka na. Ada viewers. Baka madi ka pa yung nakasubscribe ka niya.
Madi ba eh. Katatahalan mo nga.
Please subscribe to his channel.
Nabayag ata account ko na walang subscribe.
Dalawang video.
Amo video na.
Yan, subscribe ko.
Subscribe to my channel.
Ano yung channel mo, boss?
Quality B Gaming.
Quality B Gaming. Gin Gaming. Yeah.
Quality B Gin Gaming. Para quality.
Nandito, Paul.
Awan, hindi naka-register pa lang.
Ampay.
Kaya, ba't wala? Yun.
Please support this channel, guys. Ampay, boss. Ampay, boss mo, boss.
Tapos sendang ka.